the tower. Every 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
That was loud, sorry. Even though I claimed that I will, try out the Unity Muse, that was my plan, and then I realized this is still a closed beta. Didn't know that. So, I need the permission to use it, which I don't have. I just asked for it. So that's like trying to disappoint you at the beginning. But yeah, I want to try out. No, I cannot try out, but let's at least see what those Unity Muse is. And maybe I can do the coding thing then. Maybe? I don't know. The Unity released a new AI for the Unity. This is how it looks. So it's basically same as the different AIs, but it's like, it seems like it's more focused to the Unity. So I wanted to try out, and then I realized this is like only closed beta, and so if I want to use it. Okay, yeah, I need to join the closed beta program. I asked for it, so this time I was just gonna find out what Unity Muse is, and then if I get the access, then I will gonna find out if I can actually build something useful from the Unity Muse. Sounds like a plan, huh? I mean, what is funny thing is that Unity announced their AI at this point, and the stock prices went high, and then it's like they release the AI, and then it's like not really doing good again. Hello, chat. Hello, chat doesn't show up. Huh? Muse was most probably in development for a few years before they release it. Yeah, I think so. Maybe. Maybe that's why the stock price went so much down. Where is my chat? It was appearing, right? I saw it. Or was it my illusion? It was my illusion. Maybe it is my illusion. I don't know. But I see the chat here, so after a few minutes, if it doesn't appear, then what? I don't know the solution to solve it, but then I can think of what we can do. Our chat was lost. I mean, usually it takes a few times until it appears. Or maybe something is hiding it? I think so. Maybe. I saw the chat. That's weird. That never happened before. Isn't that? We can't see the chat. Oh, ho, ho, ho. What is happening? Hello. Is there any way to refresh or something like that? I have no idea. That is no longer in hell. Oh. Oh yeah. From now on it works? That is no longer in hell. Disconnected. Disconnected from the hell. Happens. Ah. Yo, we're back. Yay. I feel like I'm not appearing in the chat. Oh. Yeah, if it's only me, then it's all fine. Is only my chat. So, I need to write it down, I guess. Because then maybe I feel like I'm lying to people. Let's see. Don't have Unity Muse access. Just finding out what it is. Okay, maybe nobody reads it, but we're fine. Hello, Sunday. Hello. Hello, welcome. Oh, there we go. How weird. Well, connection to the hell. And sometimes get wrong, I guess. I don't know. I have no idea why, but yeah. So, that was the stock price when they announced the Unity AI. And then maybe I should have sold it somewhere here. But then now it is released, kind of. Then people are disappointed, I guess. And I don't have the access for the Muse. I didn't know that I had to ask for it. Yeah, because I never check everything in advance. So let's just check the article. Will impacted by AI, and so will all the aim of rejecting runtime characters. So today we are announcing 2 new AI products: Unity Muse, an expensive platform for AI-driven assistance during creation, and Unity Incentives, which allows you to embed neural networks in your builds to enable previously unimaginable real-time experiences. Well, I guess Unity Muse is quite clear. That's like another ChatGPT, right? Another friend of mine that I can pay them, then they just like talk with me. That's another my imaginary friend, right? And what is then Unity Incentive? Is it something like that? So you can build any project trained with your network. into Unity. I guess they had something like that. I mean, not officially, but I remember that from time to time that some projects wanted to work with the neural network. I have access. It's a chat like ChatGPT. Ah, I should have asked for it. Ask for the access. But next time I will gonna find out. I just wanted to hang around with it, and then I was too lazy, like always. But yeah, next time I can be good enough. Whether you're just getting started or already a Unity expert, Muse and SanDisk are here to help you and open up a new avenues of creativity and innovation. They sent me the email after a couple of weeks. I also expect something like that. Maybe I should have asked for it like few weeks earlier, huh? I mean, this article is announced on end of June. But then I wasn't really following. I wasn't following everything. That's okay with the mind lazy moon. Yeah. Thank you. It will be done at some point. Yeah, what I wonder is asking ChatGPT about the Unity code wasn't quite as good as I expected. So I wanted to try out if Unity Muse can help me better. Creation of real-time 3D applications and experiments like video games and digital twins. That sounds like quite powerful. So now in closed beta is Muse Chat. Starting today, I should have asked that. I didn't get any email or any notification. Using Muse Chat, you can leverage AI-based search across Unity documentation, training resources. Unity documentation sounds quite good. So it is based on the Unity documentation and training resources and support content. Does the support content include the YouTube community? It's like browsing the Unity forum, but a bit faster, huh? I mean, if I use the Unity forum, I don't expect the quality of the answers to be that good. Is it almost the same quality? Because like I have feeling that Unity developers on the Unity forum and so on, unless they are the Unity official people, and also Unity official people doesn't help that much because they are only saying that we will handle the issue or something like that. Yeah, then I have feeling that a lot of people on the Unity community doesn't have the actual computer science background. So like that was my feeling. Is it like the same case for the Unity Muse? Over the next few months, you'll receive more features on our Muse platform, including the ability to create textures and sprites, or even fully animate the character or using natural input. That sounds like something from hell. So if I say like, I want my humanoid avatar dance for 5 seconds, I'm pretty much sure it will work. But if I want to say like, okay, can you just not hold the right arm that much, or like make it like a little bit more elegant or something like that, then I would never get the proper output that I would want, right? But if I want to develop something like real quick, real fast, then I think that might be useful. So let's say if I want to attend the game jam, and I just want animation, not like a specific good one, but like any kind of rough one, then I think that would be quite useful. Doesn't sound as good as I thought for 3 seconds. Well, I'm pretty much sure this one wouldn't write you a novel, right? ChatGPT does. Like, can you write a novel about this and that situation? Maybe to quickly set up a basic structure to begin development. Yeah, maybe for the beginners, maybe it can be quite useful, I guess. Does it also help to set up things instead of just telling me? Give me the access. Okay. No, yeah, but it looks cool. Unity Centers. Can I watch this? I want to watch this. Okay. Huh? What? Development characters, games, and apps. How do I make match 3? What? Oh my god. If I want to develop something real quick, and if the image generation is free from the copyright issues, I think then it could be useful. I mean, for game jams. But like, I don't want this. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to get answers like a match 3 game is a type of puzzle game where players need to match 3 or more identical game pieces on a grid, typically by swapping adjacent pieces to clear them and score points. To create a match 3 game in Unity, you can follow those general steps. It uses 2D physics, okay? Why do you need physics? I'm implement game mechanics. Yeah. Yeah. It looks like my game development video. Just explain the rough things, but not in detail. Do a backflip. I mean, those kind of things could be like useful for prototypes. Okay, I see some use, but not as powerful as that it would really change everything. You can create the game any way you want. Some people want physics, some don't. It's up to you how you do it. Yeah, but this sounds like the official. And I'm pretty much sure they chose some answers that they kind of think the proper way. So I just wondered. Unity Santis is a literal game changer. Okay? Okay? So the Muse isn't really... It's just AI platform. And this one is game changer. Yeah, sure. Pretty sure you can say without physics and they will give you another way, huh? Yeah, that's also quite likely. Unity Sentence enables you to embed an AI model in the Unity runtime for your game or application, enhancing gameplay or other functionality directly on end-user platforms. Okay? Sentence allows AI models to run on any device where Unity runs. That's powerful. It's the first and only cross-platform solution for embedding AI models into a real-time 3D engine. You can build once and embed your model so it can run on the edge on multiple platforms from mobile to PC, then web to popular game consoles like Nintendo Switch or Sony PlayStation. That sounds interesting. Unity experience the art of the possible with Unity AI. Hello there. Create animate AI-driven characters.
What hairstyles would you choose if you had hair?
If I had hair, I would probably go for a messy bun or ponytail. I like how they look on other people and I think they're easy to maintain.
What's the secret to life?
The secret to life is to find something you love to do and do it every day. It's warm. I'm an extraterrestrial visitor.
Okay.
Hello there.
Greetings.
What's your name?
My name is Orb. I'm an extraterrestrial visitor who has come to Earth to study and understand humans.
What hairstyles would you choose if you had hair?
If I had hair, I would probably go for a messy bun or ponytail. I like how they look on other people and I think they're easy to maintain.
What's the secret to life?
The secret to life is to find something you love to do and do it every day.
Oh, I thought the answer is 42. Huh. Oh man, I don't like that one bit. Why? It's the future. Yeah, I mean, I see some users just grabbing the scroll bar because like my wheel is kind of not working. I mean, there are some projects who want to do this, so like in that case, I understand. But maybe not for the actual games or something like that, because it would be quite heavy. So, discover more AI solutions. Starting today, we are also making available AI verified solution third-party packages that meet Unity's highest quality and compatibility standards on the Unity App Store, You can now find professional quality AI solutions from providers such as Conv AI, Inward AI, Layer AI, okay, this and that. Smart NPCs, that's interesting. AI produces VFX, I like that. Would that be useful? Textures, 2D sprites, and 3D models. 3D models? Can I get a model of Mono for free? Generative speech, in-game testing with AI, and more, are designed to support and accelerate your creative process. I am interested in 3D models. Accelerate creation with AI solutions. So we lose our job and they will do all our jobs. Yay! Find the right solution for your project. Generative AI. Your artwork, create character dialogue, and much more. AI ML integration. I don't need that. These integrations act as a middle point between Unity and popular AI systems like OpenAI. Get SDK. Okay, that's interesting. No? No, you want to keep your job? They will do the VTubing too. I mean, already Neuro-sama is quite big, right? Neuro-sama or Neuro-sama. I have no idea how to pronounce her name properly. But I'm pretty much sure she's like quite successful compared to many other VTubers. She even made her own model. Isn't that like the definition of a successful VTuber? Behavior AI, and maybe if they do, then they can like stream for like 24 hours. Behavior AI. This group of tools help you build simulated behavior for in-game non-player elements like characters and vehicles. That sounds interesting. Build confidently with verified solutions. Find professional solutions that undergo enhanced vetting from creators who are committed to providing high-quality solution service and long-term support. Okay. It is really good at supporting those assets. Long-term support. You have like some bad memories. Does Neuro-sama know that the answer to life, the universe, and everything is 42? We should make that the new Turing test. Haha. But then a lot of people would actually fail. A lot of people who doesn't know the answer would fail. And there will be sentences to death. Which one should I look at? Oh, so they are like this many? But those are like verified ones, huh? Let them convey. Let's see. Let's stop the music and...
Hey, are you a human or a bot?
Hi,
I
are
am
you
an
human
AI-powered
or-
character,
I am
but I strive to be as
AI-powered.
good as humans in virtual worlds. I am powered by Convey, which enables me to talk to you. It also enables me to perceive the environment and carry out actions.
Really?
What?
Can you bring me that rifle from the table?
Sure. Here you go.
Oh. What? That was old logo.
Hi there, what subjects do you teach?
I teach grade 11 chemistry at Valleymore High School.
I help take care of our patients following surgery.
I hear you're a tour guide.
Yes, that's right. I've been guiding tourists around Venice for over 10 years now. I'm an
Really?
expert on the history and culture of the city.
Wow. Are you?
I am Thor, and I'm here to offer a relic of ancient spirits.
Very well. Follow me. I will take you to the High Spirit.
Hey, how do you like working here?
Work is pretty good here. We've had a lot of busy nights recently, and the atmosphere here is always lively and fun.
Hey, they are heavily fortified and we cannot move ahead. Can you try using your rocket launcher at them?
Roger that. Fire in the hole.
Wow.
Let us convey who we are.
This is super fun because, like, that's crazy. RP Maker fires hole. I mean, there are quite many interesting points. The first one is like, this one only generates the dialogues, right? I mean, doesn't provide the 3D models or animations or transitions of other animation. So the video is kind of like combination of all of them. But I'm pretty much sure this Unity asset doesn't provide the entire thing. But still, I think it's quite interesting if I want to have some kind of NPC which doesn't repeatedly talking the same sentence over and over. But the thing is that those kind of AIs, aren't they like usually crazy? They don't like really stick to the lines, but like they are, if I say something crazy, they also say something crazy, and it's like super easy to, I don't know, make them crazy. It looks like a novel AI creating story and characters. Yeah, I mean, there's like also the interface and like how you put the characters' backstory. I mean, it really seems interesting. Maybe I can think of something that I might be able to use in the game jam. But wondering if it could be something bigger than the game jam project. Okay,
Hi there.
so
What
let's
is this
see.
video about?
Hi there. This tutorial shows how Convey enables characters like me to talk to you in Unity.
Okay.
In this tutorial, we're going to import Convey's Unity plugin into our own Unity project and talk to our sample character. To do that, we'll first go to the Unity plugin section on the Convey documentation page and download the compressed folder containing the Unity plugin. While the plugin is downloading, let's create a new Unity project. Ensure that the Unity version is higher than 2019.4.11 F1 LTS. Since the version we are using here is newer than that, we are good to go. We'll give the project a name and click Create Project. While Unity is loading, let's go to the downloaded Unity demo project and extract the plugin. Once Unity is done loading and the project is open, let's head over to the Assets, Import Package, Custom Package menu. We'll head to Downloads and select the extracted Unity plugin. Then just wait for Unity to import the package. Before we can test the scene, we'll have to set up the plugin. To do that, go to Convey on the menu bar and click Convey Setup. In the panel that opens, you can enter the API key from the website. To get the API key, let's go back to the Convey website and sign into our account. Signing in Convey 16 without any, you'll see a
agent of the Stellar Survey course, and I've been working to explore and map the depths of space for many years. I'm passionate about discovering new civilizations and advancing humanity's knowledge of the universe.
As you can see, the character is an agent of the Stellar Survey Corps. The identity of the character is set with the character ID here in the Convey NPC component. Let's pick our own character. To do that, we'll go back to the Convey website to the dashboard and select our character. Here we'll pick Emily, a bounty hunter. This character description page contains a bunch of settings that define her identity, like her name, voice, and her backstory. We'll copy her character ID and paste it into the character ID field.
We're trying to evade justice.
And there we have it. The Convey plugin is ready to work in Unity. As we saw, to a demo and open the project. The API key will need to be set up again because this is a new project. We can just grab the key from the
Hi there, I'm here as part of the Stellar Survey course, conducting research and gathering data on the planet and its inhabitants. How can I help you?
We will keep updating this demo with many more features soon, so keep an eye out for our upcoming tutorials. For any feedback or questions, email us at support@convey.com. See you next time.
Mute, yes. Yeah. I mean, I read the comment. Looks like magic, but interactions still require work. It must be one like interface which recognize comments from dialogue. I mean, still it's like quite interesting to do the natural language processing, I guess. We can't here use telepathy. I'm sorry. The fact that this way the game content depends on some API where the result might change in is a turn off. Yeah, I think it's quite difficult to actually build something stable and meaningful. But I think for game jam or some kind of prototyping, I think it could be quite interesting. I don't know, what I can think of right at the moment is just like have some kind of voice command, then you have to reach the goal or something like that. That would be quite interesting. Let's say there's like something like round game that you have to like avoid the obstacles, and then you have to command everything with your voice. That would be quite fun. Yeah, I guess this is worth finding out. I don't expect anything good because I know how how smart those AIs are nowadays. Maybe it would be easier in a multiplayer game because players are always connected and the world can evolve already, huh? I mean, with some kind of like nice game design, it could be really interesting. If the AI character goes crazy, you just turn them off with command on the server terminal, huh? I mean, going crazy also sounds interesting. Or I don't know, what about trying out some dating simulation kind of game? I don't know. I don't see any other ideas. But I would try that out for sure. This sounds very fun. I can build mono. You can talk to mono. Yeah, sounds really fun. I can build my tea salon. Why can't I go back? Tea date with Manu. In hell, yes. Burning in hell. Drinking a burning tea. Or maybe that's a madman. Okay, let's watch AI NPC engine. Okay, so that's similar one, I guess.
What does Jabba smell like?
Jabba the Hutt smells like a mixture of spices and sweat.
What?
What do you think of humans?
Oh, humans? Well, I have mixed feelings about you all.
You're much more sophisticated, you're saying, than your predecessor, Natty.
Natty is a name I'd rather not hear again. That's all I'll say on this matter.
Be careful. There's an abnormally large charger guarding the power core. Watch out.
See, you're also observant. I'm just fighting with it.
What side quests were we working on?
Ah yes, we were working on the side quest, where we need to bring some outlaws to justice.
We're a movement, and we're committed to making sure that robots never threaten our way of life again.
So go ahead and pull the trigger if that's what you want.
Well, I kind of asked for it, I guess.
What can you do for me?
I can show you all the fun places to visit in Kidstopia.
I can show you all the fun places in Kidstopia.
I'm going to take out the enemy's main hive. Here's your gun. Follow me.
I can show you all interesting places in Kidstopia.
Hi! I gotta go, but hi. I have an amazing Sorting Worlds game and good luck with your day. Keep being awesome. Thank you. Thank you for dropping by and bye. Yeah, this one seems like, I mean, the same one, I guess? Or is it different? Does it like have the voice command? Is that the difference? I have no idea.
For fans, so you can be part of the story or even live the story.
Our teams at Disney Streaming Advanced Research are pioneering the ability for our guests to do just that. This new technology is built on universal scene description developed by
Awkward
Pixar.
smile.
And you can adapt to the style of the world you are in.
Oh.
And once you're part of the story, we need a world of characters to make your experience feel more real and engaging. And that's what our next company is doing, InWorld.
Who do you like better, Princess Leia or Darth Vader?
Well, both Princess Leia and Darth Vader are impressive individuals. I must say that I'm partial to Princess Leia. She's a leader of great courage and compassion, while Darth Vader is, well, he is a Sith Lord.
Artificial intelligence is going to be
like
central
ChatGPT.
technology to bringing characters to life in meaningful ways. It will be at the foundation of developing personal and lasting relationships. So this is an area that we've been keeping tabs on over time, and we're really excited about the pioneering work that InWorld is doing in this space.
I'm Ilya, I'm the CEO of InWorld. InWorld makes it possible to create pretty much any character you can imagine with artificial intelligence.
What makes InWorld unique is how easy it is for creators to build a character. Creating a character starts with the core description and identity. So here you can specify some unique character traits. You can also provide the default mood and the personality of the character as well. You can offer the memory. So with all of this, you can now interact with the character and integrate it into your experience.
How do I get back home?
I'm not entirely sure, but I think the Queen of Hearts might know a way. She's the ruler around these parts, so it's worth paying her a visit. Just be careful, she can be a bit temperamental.
We are working toward the prototype with Walt Disney Imagineering, and we are working with Star India to create characters for their Starverse platform.
Hey, my name is Crit Cole. I'm a lovable robot companion who just happens to know everything there is to know about cricket.
The company does operate with this understanding of equal partnership between creative and technology.
If we can lean into new methods of storytelling, stories that allow our fans to interact with characters that are familiar and new characters that we haven't even thought of yet, that's going to open up whole new storytelling opportunities for us.
ILMX Lab is Lucasfilm's immersive storytelling studio, and we're also an innovation hub. We're trying to drive the future of immersive entertainment and next-generation storytelling.
We are really excited to be collaborating with ILMX Lab, working on the Droid Maker.
Looking at the Droid Builder in the accelerator program and seeing even through the rough edges, right? This is brand new technology, but seeing some of the promise and seeing some of the surprising things that the droids would say that had been trained on our world, and they kind of knew their way around Star Wars, and starting to deliver some of those authentic responses in response to our prompts was pretty fun.
What does Jabba smell like?
Jabba the Hutt smells like a mixture of spices and sweat.
What would Jabba the Hutt say if he heard somebody say that he smelled like that?
I imagine his reaction would be one of displeasure.
Would you ever tell him this
I
directly?
thought the language
It's not
Java.
within my programming to provide negative feedback to my employer, even if it is deserved.
Droids are an important part of the Star Wars universe, and they each have a unique personality. They charm us, and sometimes they make us laugh or cry. But imagine if you could have a relationship with a droid, a relationship that was meaningful, that evolved over time. That's really where I see InWorld and their technology as being a piece of the puzzle that can bring that vision to life.
There's a lot to come, but just consider this moment the beginning. So there's a big future here, and when we talk about minds for characters, well, the relationship between your mind and your body and your entire expressive self is really the total experience that we're looking at now.
As this technology matures, as we figure out different ways to creatively use this within our stories, we can just kind of imagine the opportunities that it's going to present.
Interesting. That's interesting. The one where the supporter robot embassy has the AI dialogue feels kind of right. Yeah. I think it's actually quite interesting. I think it's quite difficult to make it right. It smells like a hot coffee, yes. I can feel it. Yeah, I'm pretty much sure this is like super difficult to make it right. But if you make it right, then this seems really interesting. And like, I like what they want to build. I mean, the dreams and the collaboration, I like those.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Hey, lovely to meet you too. I'm sure you're very busy. Why don't we talk later? There's so much to see here.
What? Oh yeah, of course, so much to see
Hello,
here.
nice to meet you.
Hello, my pleasure. My name is Zeus.
How are you doing today?
I am doing well. Thank you for asking. I am a king of gods and I rule over all aspects of human life.
I just imagined Monos 3D is answering something similar. In some large games, it could be useful to have an AI assistant that follows you and is trained on the data from the game wiki, so you can ask while playing. That would be helpful, because like every 3 seconds, I have no idea what I have to do. So that would be quite helpful. That interface looks so good and efficient, but I doubt it really works properly. Sometimes I can see some prompts doesn't working totally while I was using various AI programs recently. Yeah, so that's what I think. It will be quite difficult to work on it or build anything properly. I'm pretty much sure the ability of those kind of things are quite limited. So, yeah, so I think it's quite difficult to build it properly. I think it should have some kind of like small tasks that they can answer or handle. The drawn robot theme makes it acceptable if tone or content of the answer is incorrect sometimes. So they are like, you just lied to me. You just gave me the wrong instruction. Wow. They talk to each other? Oh no.
Hello, nice to meet you. Hey, it's very nice to meet you as well. Hello, nice to meet you.
Hello, it is very nice to meet you as well.
This demo is quite boring because like it only gives the same answer.
Let's talk about NPCs. They are a part of most game experiences and they are usually there to make the game world feel alive and provide useful information to the player, most of the time at least. You might even have tried to talk to them to know more about the character and the world, but historically they tend to repeat themselves a lot. But what if there could be more? What if you could ask them about their day, ask them for their help, tell them to follow you, or simply mess with the stuff to see how they will react? Hey folks, I'm Bruce, senior front-end developer at InWorld, and I'm here to take you through the tutorial to demonstrate some of the possibilities that game devs could explore with more intelligent characters in Unity. First, let's jump into our InWorld studio to create our neighbors.
Guitar has frame,
if you don't know InWorld yet, we allow developers to create any character that you can imagine. The characters of your dreams just got real. AI characters have deep memories, lifelike personalities, and engaging conversations.
You need
you
AI
can build
on it.
a character in minutes with no code required. This is where we'll configure the characters' personalities, which forms the foundation of how the characters interact with the players. We will be greeted with this in-world
So I build the
Click
AI
here
menu
and
write the
change
chat,
workspace in the sidebar,
and the AI answers.
and then you will create new workspace. Neighborhood. Go without a photo here. You can choose a pre-made avatar and you can change the hair, the facial features. Let's give him a full beard. He's a recluse. This stage here, awesome. In all, place the avatar ground for knowledge, information, additional.
Okay, so combine.
We do have some configuration for the API key.
API key combine.
Not over yet.
Okay.
Player controller to Unity scene. And then I'll hit login here. Around here. Hey,
them.
Just that we are going to have that name. Where do you tools here?
They have those kind of
these triggers. Nah, the list. Wait. Character.
I wanted
Also, we
to
have
see
here
the.
which
I lost the
triggers.
content.
So here and you can check it, and part that we make away to the right. So writing idea, just a half. We're very excited to see what developers will.
Oh, is Mona not the AI yet? I mean, I can have the lore version or like some yeah, another AI version of me, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. Didn't I add it? I'm pretty much sure I added it. Yeah, it is added. Welcome. What? Welcome? Not welcome anymore, but yeah, let's copy code. Yeah, I think it will be quite interesting. I can make an AI mono. Or like I can build some kind of simple chatting system to other VTubers and sell it for not that expensive amount of money, and then they will maybe pay me because they don't know how to make or handle Unity layer AI. What is that? Is it? Ah. So that's the image creation, huh? That's what I want. I also changed the style. This one looks quite interesting. I mean, this would be quite interesting for the hyper casual games or like any casual games which doesn't really require that many interesting or unique assets. Oh, train your style with your unique game art, huh? That's interesting. Seems interesting, but basically just keep randomizing until you get the one you like. Thinking emoji, yes. Yeah, I think what is interesting is it doesn't provide the trained model or trained style. That level design was pretty soulless. Yeah, so if you don't have any problem with the copyright, then there is like no problem with the using the AI generated pictures, right? Well, I mean, it is interesting, but like the main fights that they are always fighting on using AI picture is that the designers or artwork people or UI designers, they are losing job, right? I mean, then if you say like, okay, I need your 100 pictures of Apple in this and that style, and then I will just hire you for like 1 month, and then we never need you ever again. That isn't that like same anyway? But yeah, anyway, I think this is interesting. I don't think I will ever have enough data set to train. I also have no idea how many pictures do I need to train that? But I can try it out. I edit? I think so. So which one provides me a 3D model? Didn't it say that there is something with 3D model? Oh, this one? I want 3D mono with a click. Oh, that doesn't seem like that I can make me. Not that detailed. Grenade. Blue box? Huh. Oh. No, I don't think I can make me. I would try that out. one I already saw. That one. Hey! This is the future. Love the reader. I'm super impressed. I used the polyhype to texture several of the 3D assets in my game, and I love the widget and how easy it was to use. This is going to save me so much time making content for my game. Okay. Let's try to make mono with the... Oh, Mooney. Okay, is everything else similar? Oh, this is also another picture generating. Is it? Does it also provide the 3D sets? Ah. Is this something that I can put the 2D image for the input and then get the 3D object, or? No idea. Maybe. Maybe. Okay. So another emotive AI speech for voiceover. Use Bing AI? I integrate Bing or Unity?
9821, runway
for what?
19 right, line up and wait.
19er right, line up and wait, United 8.1.
Tower, Cessna November 501 Sierra Charlie, with you for 28 right.
We're going to 501 Sierra Charlie, 6 1 19er at 3, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land.
Is it another X generator, or is it like something specific?
Make any right turns and contact ground on 121.
Is it sound? Emotive AI speech, okay. 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 Oh. What? But the voice generator, why does it need to check random pipeline? I have no idea. Oh, I think the demo, okay. Okay, there are many interesting ideas that I can maybe make something interesting. Automated QA? That sounds wonderful. Is it only for the games? Is it only randomly moving around? Oh, it escaped. Interesting. I like that. I like this more than the other AIs. But this one also got rid of the chance that I just play the game randomly. That's a little bit sad. That's interesting. Okay, that's interesting one. I realize if I add this like everything, then I'm not sure whether I have 14 notifications. Voice actor, that might be also interesting. Audition a voice.
The Black Soul Stone contains thousands of demonic souls. My family was butchered by Hellspawn. To witness such a thing is enough to leave your mind in ruins.
Not bad. Okay, that's... Oh, okay. I was thinking like you're just promoting your software
My
and you're
family
saying
was
not bad.
butchered by Hellspawn. To witness such a thing is enough to leave your mind in ruins.
Hatred.
My family was butchered by Hellspawn. To witness such a thing is enough to leave your mind in ruins.
Nice.
At any rate, I smelt like dragon breath for weeks after that.
Speaking of smells, do you smell that? It smells like
ghouls.
Freya! Behind you!
Thanks, Raven!
Who made the video? I mean, the content of the video isn't that serious, but the quality of the video is too high, it doesn't match. British AI, so that's cool. Butchered. Not bad. Give storytellers a voice. So it's basically you build how you build the Hatsune Miku song, huh? That's... This one is crazy. I mean, interesting. But I have no idea whether I can like, make it actively. I don't think so. I don't think I can combine with the different assets. Yeah, it's super weird, isn't that? It's like, it's saying like, okay, not bad, but like, let's prove it. And the video is like, not bad. Good. Oh my god. So crazy. Okay, I think this is the last verified one. Nice. Look at smog and fire. Okay. This is quite useful, also quite limited to use. Where can I use it? Nice out of 10. I know that the one from the Harry Potter. What is that? The Patronus? Expecto Patronum. Ooh. Cool. But not likely to use it. But why is it AI? Okay, let's see. Wish they would show the performance cause physics simulation is super expensive on CPU. Yeah. I mean, I heard somebody, some colleague of mine in the hell tried to make the water simulation, which was like super expensive. Powered by custom physics servers and artificial intelligence-based technology for neural object representation, Zebra effect make working the interactive effects such as rigid surfaces, dynamic explosions, responsive smoke, and fire easier. Okay, that each word of this sentence sounds quite expensive. So I'm not trying to find the word easy. Is it something like... Okay, I have no idea. So it only works in Android, huh? Android, okay. iOS, yeah. But including Meta Quest 2 should be quite optimized, right? No idea. I don't think I will never gonna use it. So let's try out the 3D making. What's that? Which one was it? This one? Polyhive? Let's see if I can build Mono. Hello, Unity. Let's make a new project. A 3D Mono with click. I hope so. Okay, the project name is 3D Mono with click. Let's see if I can make Mono with click. How do I use it? I need to assign, create something. Not see anything. Oh, so I cannot build something from the scratch? I always need some kind of base. Am I connected? Think so. Oh, so okay. SDK documentation. Okay, let's get my music back. Ah, too loud! So I didn't try the Unity Muse, but I just found out so many other what I want to download is Polyhive. I cannot press download. Hello? Yeah. Now it works. Import. Using the texturing SDK. Is it only texturing? That sounds quite boring. API key. Where can I get my API key? Hey. API keys. I have some kind of limited users, huh? That makes it a little bit less interesting. Where can I? Where? Huh? What? I'm saying all of these services do, huh? So that's how they earn the money, huh? Interesting. That's why it was for free. I would prefer pay something when I get them. Where do I start? Okay, registration. Let's turn it off. Let's do it separately. Magic link. Or maybe I would give it up. Try it later. Let's do it later. Seems less interesting. Okay, I don't know. Let's do it. Let's do it! The sign in page. Okay. I will sign in. I would like to sign in. Let me in, even though I will not gonna pay anything. But I can still be interested in your product. And I realized I cannot make username mono behavior profile folder. Let's have the pixel mono. Cool. I don't need put my first name and last name. Let's put the first name. Job title. YouTuber. Start using, yay! Welcome to Polyhive. This tour will show you around something. Your free trial. Sidebar. Tutorial, bunch of tutorials. So, how much money do I have? So, free for everyone. I have 200 credits. And how much is 200 credits? What does 200 credits mean? Maybe you can find something to generate 3D models. Not all of these services have Unity integration. It's not really necessary. Once you have the asset, you're good. Yeah, that's also true. I mean, I was never really looking for it. I mean, there are some kind of websites that you can have. You can create the 3D models. Something like something like that also can. You can do that, right? That's let's make an account. Okay, I don't have the verification email. Ah. What? Let's see. Let's see if any of those. Okay. Verify my email address doesn't arrive. Whatever. Pick an avatar. No idea which one looks like me. I don't know. I think like this one. I think the most important one is having the proper hairstyle. If it doesn't have one, everything is so slow. I don't think it has any long hairstyle because it's quite difficult to simulate. What about that? And then I can change my model into such a hairstyle. Okay. So I don't think those works. Yeah. Maybe I should work on it by myself. Okay, so what can I do? I just want to have those API. Okay, where can I have magic link? Setting up my account, I did. I generated. Add on API keys. API keys. Oh, I cannot. Oh, here. Okay. Hello, hello, welcome. Okay. Okay, now I have my API key. Hold on a second, let's paste it differently. So where can I paste it? How are you doing? I'm doing great. I wanted to try out the Unity's AI, Muse, and then I realized I actually cannot. I don't have any access. I'm just like trying to find out the Unity providing AIs and if I can make something cool with it. I don't think it will be that cool. Where should I put my API key? It was something like here. God. I saw it. I saw it somewhere. Ha ha ha. So window polyhive. Where what? Window polyhive settings. Couldn't you just highlight it? And paste my API key. And I press save. Doesn't tell me anything. I have no idea whether it is saved. Hey, I wish that's saved. That was weird you don't stream, but double stream are just allowed. Not allowed anymore? Oh. On Twitch, huh? Yeah. I should have maybe wrote down that I'm like moving to YouTube and anybody who's interested in should follow and then like I like. Okay. Okay, who was on the Twitch? Raise your hand. Nobody. Okay, let's go. It happened like that. Yeah, they didn't allow the similar task. Job name. How much does it cost to make one for one prompt? Let's see. Huh. Me actually. Hello. Welcome. Ha ha ha. Maybe not ha 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 for them, but yeah, yeah. And there was some other people who was like, yeah, happened. But I was thinking like if I do game jam again. I mean, Twitch is kind of fun when you discover some random people. Thanks. You're welcome. But YouTube is like less discovered. I'm not entirely sure whether I should stream on YouTube only, which I am doing because I didn't want to think of anything. What should I write? Can I write a random thing? What is seed? Is there any explanation? This negative prompt, that's like something that I don't want to have. Don't think, just go for it. Yay! Yeah, if I think too much. I was thinking too much about the YouTube videos. It is only the texture job, okay. Then let's find out some sample. This one. I can only read texture. That would be quite boring. Yeah, I think I can only read texture. Let's try this. Magic wand. Pink magic wand with LEDs shining with bunch of LEDs in many different colors. Huge pink gem with shape in heart. What happened now? I should open something else. It's only retexturing. That's quite boring. I mean, it's still cool, but yeah. That is cool, but hello. Whenever I see some 3D, I thought you were gonna make a 3D model. I have to open the job status, okay? Windows, Polyhive, job status. In progress. In progress? And until when? Okay. And how many gems did I use for that action? 25. So now I have that my requirement here, but it's on process, which is boring. Oh. Well, it's not any close than I expected, but it's like getting super interesting and fun. I mean, if I say LED, that doesn't mean like, I don't know. Let's try to protect the word. Like, in the meanwhile, get some water. Hold on a second. Takes forever. It doesn't show me anything interesting. But this is like fun. Poof! I'm here. What do you see? I was always here. Where would I go? I have nowhere to disappear. The key visual that I asked for it, it's going quite well, I guess. It's quite cute in my opinion. It has 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining, okay. So what can I say for 4 minutes and 30 seconds? Yeah, so the first sketch before she works on the details, it was quite cute. And then, like, I wanted to have me standing and working with the floating keyboard in the air and have some kind of like magical hacker looking displays floating and that kind of like design. And the picture I got seemed quite not really ergonomic to work. But then I was thinking very hard, but like it was the cutest form as a list. So I just thought like, okay, that's great then. So maybe I have to like twist my head or my body a little bit weird to work on, look at that monitor. But that's cute. And being cute is the most important thing. Hacker money, yes. Yes and no. I asked if I can have like, I actually had the capture version of my Visual Studio, the editor, and then I also pasted to her when I was sending the informations or like concept that I want to work on. I want to have this and that kind of the key visual. And then she added some like weird circles, which looks like hacker. Doesn't look like a game development or anything. It looks cool in the aspect of the non-programmer aspect, and I liked it because I have no idea what those circles mean and what they can actually do, and I like that part. So it's lovely. I liked it. So maybe not the best way for your wrist and ankle and your waist. So maybe it will, I don't know, after like few years of working on like that, and you maybe have to see some doctor, but it's cute. And that means everything. So I liked it. Why do I feel like that I didn't drink any water today? No, I did. Today, the butler uploaded some content, and then he was basically talking about what kind of weapon do you want to have. And I was thinking like, okay, what? So they were talking about when they went to Sydney, they were talking about what kind of weapon do you want to have, because they went to the convention in Sydney, some kind of like Comic-Con or like some kind of like the Japanese related conventions, and then there was a booth with weapons with like daggers and swords and everything like that, and then they were talking about that. And then somebody in the tea salon said that that was an interesting talk because they never usually say that. And then he told about that, and then I was thinking like, okay. He was basically saying that he wants to have daggers because it's like doesn't look that strong. And he said that's what he likes. It says 0 seconds remaining. Why it doesn't show me anything interesting? Hello. I'm trusting you. Still on the process, even though it says 0 seconds remaining. Now I have no idea how long I should talk about random things. Yeah, and then he was talking about like having dagger and all different types of weapons for, I don't know, 20 minutes, and then like if you are able to use magic, what kind of magic do you want to use? And then I was thinking like, okay, magic maybe okay, but using like dagger. All Mona's conversation eventually returns to the butler. I'm just talking about my daily life. Yeah, and then, oh, loading model. Visualizing model. Okay. Now I'm disappointed. Hey, this is actually cool. Does it look like something Mahou Shoujo would have? Dangerous butler. Maybe they are thinking about revolution. Maybe they will stab my father and me and just take the mansion and nobody would know and people would just wonder. I mean, there is heart. I think this is supposed to be a heart. And where is LEDs and where is... Okay. Let's look at it. In Unity. Where did I download it? Okay, it's fun. but I don't think I will ever gonna use it. Okay, so this is weapon that I will gonna have for myself. Pretty cool hammer. So that's the weapon that I will have to fight against the butler. Is there any interesting free model? I mean, there are like super famous. This one is... I thought this one is for free and you can always use it. Or maybe that's a different one. What should I... Let's grab something that I made forever ago. Let's see if I have them. There was some way to upload. This one. Okay, let's find if I have my 3D set. Where can I find it? Whenever I look at the folders, I have no idea what I was looking at. Okay, so I have my project. Okay, I found it. Here. This one. Model. And let's see if there's anything interesting. Can I look at it? We're not gonna show you. I will just look at it. That's night. Oh, this one seems interesting, but not good enough. I think I have something cute. Cat Tower, Eye Monster. Here, let's add the chest one. Because I have no idea what else I have. I have no idea what else I have. Okay. This is what I made forever ago. Please enter the object name. What is the object you're trying to texture? It is piece of chess. Or is it, how do I call it? Knight? Or I cannot read. For example, I want a Viking-styled helmet made of rusted steel with horns made out of ivory. Ah. Chess piece? Chess piece? A knight. Knight. Chess piece. Ew. Doesn't look half bad. Ha. Not bad. Good. Better. I want a Viking-styled helmet made of rusted steel with horns made of ivory. I want to have a knight chess piece made out of ivory. Okay, ivory for the horse part, and what is black? What is black and what is black and cool for the stand? On the stand, there is a carving mark which says mono. And wait another 20 minutes. Doesn't show me anything. I think this one should. We've generated 2 front-back previews. Pick one to continue. Ooh. What? I personally like this one. Is there any way that I can... I mean, I can, but I can't at the same time. I mean, I want to combine those two. I like the horse part of this one. And I like the lower part of that one. I mean, it skipped the ivory. I have no idea what happened to that one. Let's choose this one, I guess. Oh, it's front and back preview. Oh, okay. But this one is front and this one is back. Okay. I see. But this one is cooler. I can also reroll. What would that cost? Ah! I reward! Okay, AI is my friend. Not possible to combine both. Yeah, I think so. I like this one. This one is what I wanted, right? I mean, this one also looks super cool. But this one is what I said, right? Even though I have no idea why it's so black up until here. And you also need black and white pieces for the chest, right? So I think I like that one. We've generated one more preview. Choose one to continue. Oh, my friends are consuming so much electricity and energy. The doom is near, but I love them. How can I not like them? I like that one. Nah, that's okay. That's also fine. Resolution could be super low. I don't care at all. What is seed? Prompt is generate an image of a knight chess piece crafted with intricate detail. Okay. The horse part is delicately carved from beautiful ivory, displaying the graceful curves and elegance of a rear horse. Okay, that's what I need to write. The stand is made of sleek black marble, providing a strong foundation for the piece. On the stand, there is a meticulously engraved name elegantly displaying the word mono. Does it say mono? What is seed? The generation will use the total cost of 25. Let's see. Okay. So we can talk another 10 minutes. Probably the seed is the randomization number, huh? So the randomization used for the seed in AI image generated. A seed in AI art is a series of numbers that tells you AI how to generate an image. It's like the blueprint or a work of art guiding the AI as it creates something new and unique. By generating a random seed and generating off it, the AI can create endless variety of images. I have no idea what they are talking about. It's like some kind of numbers to randomize. Not really randomize. Is it something like adding the noise? I have no idea. Yeah. No idea. Is it already? No, it's preview, okay. So where is mono? Doesn't say mono. Lied to me. Pretty pretty sure it's the same seed in Minecraft when you start a new word. Huh. Huh. I see the concept, but I didn't really fully understood. I mean, I feel like this is quite beautiful, but also not that useful. But I can play around with it. I can at least have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 more pictures if I don't pay. Ah. Oh, but I could see the preview images and I could choose one of them. But if I use the prompt from Unity, I couldn't do that. That's a little bit sad part, huh? So I think it's better to use it from the website than from the Unity. It's done? What? Why is it so fast? I mean, I don't think we're gonna use it. It is cool. Have to admit. Job name is texture. Ah! Ah! So now I have a cool hammer and a horse. That's how you protect the entire world with AI. Like that. I like the wizard, but I don't think I will ever use it. I have no idea what those parts are. Oh my god, my mouse. I mean, this part doesn't seem correct. Oh my god, my mouse. Is the horse gonna use the hammer now? Break everything. Break the human world. It looked quite beautiful in the image, but not as detailed. Yeah, it is fun. It is fun, and I can make another 6 useless things. I like that. Yeah, I like that. It's super fun. So I guess with those amazing looking horse and the hammer, it's super funny because I wanted to have some kind of heart-shaped gem. So I kind of have gem here. It doesn't look like a gem, but it was fun to play around with. And if I have the access for the Unity Muse, and now we're gonna try that out. It was super fun to try out those AIs which I could use in Unity. It was fun. And if I have access to Unity Muse, then we're gonna have another stream introducing it. Even though I also have feeling that it wouldn't be that cool. It will just answer the same answers that you can find in Google or Unity Archive or like. Yeah, so in short word, I don't think it will gonna finish my game. So I have to work on it. That's a little bit sad part of life, but what can I do? What can I do? At least Satozaka Mama is working on my key visual, which is super cool. And yeah, life is cool. And I did everything that I wanted to achieve for August. Even though I didn't become super famous, I was dreaming of being super famous after I upload those videos, but that didn't happen. But fine. I actually have no idea how those Unity algorithm works. Because for the statistics, it isn't bad. But yeah, whatever. I will upload many videos and then wait until something goes viral and yeah. And I become super famous and then I'm like sick of the fame and I don't know, complaining that I just want to get rest in my tea salon and in my mansion, and I don't want to study about this society anymore because I'm like super rich. That kind of, isn't that the concept? But whatever. So I think I will work hard, not that hard, but hard, kind of hard, in September. I hope. I would upload several videos and finish the game if I can, and also do some random topics streaming and speak English better. I felt like some days that I can really speak, some days I cannot. But yeah, anyway. So I think I will slowly disappear. Those are something I tried for today. It was quite fun. And I think I will call it a day. I changed the metallic roughness. Okay. I think I can change the shader. Your English is pretty good in all honesty. Thank you. But I feel like some days that I can speak better than the other days. And for some days I cannot. And today was the day that I cannot really say it fluently. But yeah. But I'm brave enough to listen to my voice and edit my video. I mean, sometimes people say it's like super weird to listen to your voice when you record it, and that's kind of torture. So I'm brave enough. So anyway, so I think I will call it a day, and so thank you for coming. Thank you for writing the chat. Thank you for hanging around with me, even though it wasn't really a stream about the Unity Muse, but it was a random stream of hanging around with Unity AIs. That was fun. And I think I will return on Friday. I didn't open the Rivendell Lego yet. Yeah, people hate their own voice. That's normal though. Yeah, but that's weird, right? It is totally fine to listen to someone else's voice. Then why not mine? Thank you for the stream. Thank you for coming. Lego build stream? Huh? 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 No, it's like, yeah. No. Impossible. In many aspects. And I'm pretty much sure it will take like about a month or something to build the entire piece. Yeah. So anyway, thank you for coming. Thank you for writing the chat. Thank you for hanging around with me. And I will see you on Friday. And I wish you to have a good morning, noon, afternoon, evening, or night, wherever you are. And I will see you next time. Bye bye. Have a good night. You too have a good night. Thanks for the streaming. Thank you for coming. My language, I lost it. Bye bye. Bye bye. See ya. Good night. Good night. Thank you for coming. Bye bye. Bye bye.